Howdy folks, TJ here. I have an unboxing today to do. I don't think I'll do the first use in this video. This is just the unboxing because it may take me a little while to figure out how to use this device because it is my turn to take over the internet now that I've got high-speed fiber internet, and I kind of hinted earlier this year that once I got that, maybe I could start doing some live YouTube video. And it's all foreign to me. I've never had internet fast enough to even buffer a 144p video. Now I've got like 900 and some odd megabits per second down and up. On a good day, on a bad day, it's still 600, 700, 800. It's crazy fast. And it's time for me to start purchasing some goodies to allow me to do live internet video. There you go. So the first thing, I've seen this device before. This is going to be the first part of a large puzzle because I need a lot. I need some better lighting or more lighting. I need some other capabilities. I actually already own something, an AverMedia down there, Gamer Live Pro something or another, lets you record your your computer video. The only hiccup with it is it doesn't quite work very well with my Speccy Next. Something about the chroma or color capability of this device makes colors look weird on my Speccy games, and I don't want that. So for now, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to start out easy. I'm just going to have kind of a camera, if I can, pointed at the normal screen that you see me do next videos on, and kind of at my same angle where I can spin around and say hello or chat with you for a little bit and then play some games, because I'd like to do a couple of tests, and then once I get the test done, play The Hobbit on my Speccy and have you guys come along for the journey, helping me, because I've never played The Hobbit. I haven't really played too many text adventure games for a long time, any in depth. And I have no clue how The Hobbit's going to go, so with your help, maybe I could get back to the Shire! To the Shire! I kept saying that on vacation. My wife and I go up to the Redwood, Northern California coast, and the trees are huge up there, and you feel like you're in a medieval land. And it was raining cats and dogs one day, and I looked at her and I go, "To the Shire!" She started cracking up. So, with no further ado, what is it that I have? Well, I purchased a OBSBOT Tiny. Not the normal one, but the tiny one. What's neat about this device is it kind of moves along. You can kind of probably do something with your hand or whatever, and it then follows you through the videoing. Now, I don't know if that's going to be of a hindrance or of a benefit. Later on, I think having that capability will be cool. But for now, I just want to kind of put it someplace, have it focus at me and the screen, come in decent enough. This is just a 1080p, which is fine for what I do. And in fact, I don't know, can you do live 4K? I don't need to get to that level. I just want 1080p is fine. And this is my first piece of the puzzle, to try to take over the internet, to have a live version of me, no set schedule, just every now and then. Maybe I'll announce it in advance. I just need to test it first, see if I can even do this. And if I can, then maybe build up some type of schedule where I play a game or chat about Speccy Next or chat about the Aquarius, which you can't see because it's under a pile of rubbish. I mean, my office is a mess. I got, you know how you get something, you go, oh yeah, I'll file this later. I'll file this later. This whole office is becoming a file later situation. With no further ado, though, let's open this up. So here's the box. It's called OBSBOT. Now, I am familiar. I did download, but I've never really used the OBS. I think there's a program that works on Linux, Mac, Windows, that lets you kind of do live streaming. And I thought it was called OBS. I could be wrong. But anyway, OBS. It's a AI-powered PTZ webcam. To tell you the truth, this is my first webcam that I've had since my Firewire Apple one that came with my, it was over the time of the Cube. Back then, you know, G4 Cube, or maybe it was the versions after that. Anyway, it's old, and it's the only webcam I have. But this is a newer one. So on the front of the box, it's just a little nice picture. of what this looks like. And it's a rotating one that moves and follows things along. On the side of the box, it has the name OBSBOT. OBSBOT. And inside the O, there is a little, you can't see it there, but it's got a little foo-foo thing in the O. I don't know what that stands for. Maybe it's showing you that it's a moving one. And then on the back, it has pictures, AI tracking, gesture control, 1080p, 2-axis gimbal, includes the OBS Tiny, Type-C data power cable mount, user manual, and warranty card. And 2016 to 2020 remote tech. So that's what's on the back of the box. So now I went ahead and slit. Did I slit well enough? Oh, maybe not. Oh, I gotta get my scissors out. I thought I slit the little gummy label thing, but I didn't do it well enough. So the box is a flip open box. The top of the box, oh, that's nice. It's kind of got, you can kind of see from this angle, a little cushy here. That's nice. And then let me, so this is kind of how it comes and looks like. I don't want to spill everything out. So let me grab, in here there's a little finger indentation to pull out. A little purse, a little lunch pail. Okay, how do you open up this thing? Some boxes are rather difficult. Okay, I don't want to ruin the box. I kind of like saving all my boxes. So in this box is a couple things. Little baggies. And baggie number 1. Oh, I've already ripped the bag. That's okay. Baggies I don't care about ripping too much. Looks like it's probably a cable. Yeah, USB charging cable. Or just USB cable. Old style to C style. And then this must be a mount. I'm not going to take it out. This is a little mount that looks like it's got a little gooey sticky on the back. And this is where you could probably put it on top of something or on top of a monitor and it kind of locks in place. So that's cool. User manual. So it does come with a user manual. And it's in many languages. And it talks about it. I'm not going to read it. You know, it's going to be, I'm going to have to read about the hand gesture controls. I don't know if will it handle Vulcan. I don't know. Doubtful. And then there's another something down here. Tiny Tim. You remember Tiny Tim? Tiptoe through the tulips. You have to be old to remember that. This is probably just a warranty pamphlet, booklet, warranty card. All right. So let me... all right. The whole thing kind of come out here. So the box is now empty. Let me put this over here. And, so it's got some cushy in the bottom. That's nice. They're very well packed. I'm trying to get it out. It's kind of snug as a bug in a rug in here. And it doesn't just kind of flop out. Nope. I almost got it. Come on. This whole video is me trying to get this thing out of the box. Oh, I've already got some cat hair on it. Man, this is, it's tight in there. All right, I got it. Well, so here is the nifty little, does this little thing move too? It's kind of got it's a little floppy. Maybe there's a motor type of thing in here or something. I sure hope so because it's got to be videoing something in a down position. It feels loosey-goosey, but that's probably what it does. So this thing is going to rotate around, and I'm guessing this goes up and down. And on the back, there's a little port here. It looks like DC 5 volt, and it's got a little round connector and then the USB-C style. I don't know if you're going to pick that up. And nothing else, but there is a little hole here. I know there's some speakers, microphones, not speakers, microphone built into these. So this little thing, I'll just put it back here for purposes of maybe you can see it. I can set it like that and do my little hand gesture, and then it's going to go and work and come into play and video me showing you how to play Specky games and Aquarius games and Sam Coupe games and whatever else I'm going to be chatting about. So that's the unboxing. I've got everything out. Now I think I'm going to try it on my Mac Pro 2013 nuclear reactor computer first. And just to kind of test the waters. And then at some point, come back. I'm going to do probably just a test. See if this, click on, I think on YouTube there is a thing that says go live. I'm sure you got to set some things up. But try that and see if I actually can record whatever I'm going live and then be able to play it back later. I've got a lot to learn. But hopefully you stick it out and watch this down the road and watch me become live on the YouTubes. I always hate when people say, hey YouTube. Hey, YouTube. There's people on YouTube, but YouTube is YouTube. We're viewing YouTube. We're the, not customers, we're the subs, the subscribers. So anyway, thanks for watching this unbox video. This should be a real nifty device. Hopefully it works, and hopefully this thing does pan up. I don't know quite how it works yet. So thanks for watching the unboxing video. Be well, everyone. Bye. I lied. I think I'm going to go ahead and do a first test. I haven't looked through the booklet yet, or manual. Booklet manual. I did go onto the internet and type in on YouTube OBS Tiny and Mac. Quickly watch somebody's video, and it looks like he just said it was plug and play with photo booth, which I've used before, but not much. And in fact, I don't know if I even have it on my Mac Pro here, because there is no camera built into that. So hopefully it's there as part of the stock install. Let me plug in the camera. On his, it just automatically allowed photo booth to work. No idea if that's going to work for me. So let's go ahead and plug it in. So hold tight. Let me go back here. I've got the camera right here. Where's the cable? Cable, here we go. Okay, I've got one free USB in the back here. And let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, anything lighting up? Oh, yeah, a little blue light. Okay, it's flickering. Oh, it's green. It's green. I don't know. So now I'm guessing I have to probably go launch photo booth. It's probably not that bright to know. So let's go up here to applications. Do I have photo booth? Oh, good. Photo booth. Oh! But do I got? So I think the guy held up his hand. Oh, it did move. Well, let me stand up. So is it gonna score? Oh, it's just showing my stomach. I thought this little thing's supposed to move around. Doesn't that supposed to move around and follow your face? So I mean, if you go over here. Do I have to hold up my hand again? So now it should know where I am, right? It's not moving. I thought it was supposed to move. Do I supposed to hold it here? Next to my face? Oh no, it's not where I don't know how to use it. But I do have video, which is cool. So again, I saw him, he held up his hand. Now, I don't know what the flickering light does. See, I would think this thing should be starting to move. Come on. Look at my hand. I guess I need to read more. But I am getting video, so that's step one. Let me stop the recording. Let me see if I can figure out how to get this to track, because I would think it should be, you know, looking at this thing, and I don't know if I need to wait until it does something to say this is my face, and then start moving. No, it's not moving, so I'll be back in a second. Whew. Well, let's just get some video going on here. That's cool. Okay, I figured it out. So you put your hand up near your face, and then you'll see that the light over there is green. It blinks blue, then blue, then stops, and then it goes green again. It locks your face in. I guess I hadn't locked it in quite yet, because right now it is harping on my beautiful face. And if I go over here, you'll see the camera is moving. And if I go over here, the camera is moving. And then if I stand up, the camera is shifting up. Hello. And if I go really low, oh, is it coming down? No. It stopped following my face. Uh-oh. It's not moving now. Did it lose its? It lost its direction. I guess that last move was the one that really screwed it up, huh? Left, over here. Yeah, it lost. So let's try it again. So, face, blink, blink, green. I'm just gonna hold it here. Oh, no, they're not moving anymore. What the hell? This thing is confusing. Dun dun. Come on. Okay. I don't think it's doing it right. No, it's not locked in anymore. But I had it working for a second. It seems to forget it. I don't know. Maybe you got to kind of hold it up here. Damn it! Uh-oh. Oh! It seems to be cruising around now. And then there's the letter L. It's supposed to do a zooming thing. No. L this way. Oh, no. Oh. So L, loser. It's working. So I'm getting video. I have no idea if sound's working. I guess I'll have to tinker with that. But needless to say, this is working, and I just need to figure out its nuances. So thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you're seeing my face over here as I'm standing up, and it's scrolling up, and I say goodbye. Oh, I'm recording already. Is this thing still moving? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Now, how's my recording? So, hi, this is TJ. Nice to meet you, everybody. I guess I don't want to raise my hand because then I'll shut this thing off. Hopefully this is working. Goodbye.